Jeffrey De Leon, Los Angeles, California, USA. Through baking, I can express myself and I can show people who I am and what I can do. For me to have an impact on somebody's day, a perfect stranger, it could be everything today. If all they got for the rest of their day was one great croissant, then I've done my job, And being a part of people's days is very inspiring to me. What excites me about the Masters competition is I get the opportunity to use all of my skills, and what I look forward to is meeting all of these great bakers and seeing what they have to offer as well. Being able to compete against the best bakers in the world is a tremendous challenge for me, and I take that very personally, and I want to be able to show what I can do. Whether it's through the precision of creating a perfect Danish, or whether it's using my artistic abilities to conceive and create the perfect presentation, it motivates me to do my best and show what the United States has to offer. Because we're a nation of immigrants, there's so many different cultures and so many different traditions that the opportunity to try different breads and experience different baking is so vast. And so maybe it's your neighbor who just baked a loaf of bread and they want to come over and share it with you. Or maybe you're going down the street to the Greek cafe and you try their pita and you're with a tzatziki. Or you go into the restaurant down the way with some friends and you have some of their brioche with ricotta and fresh fruit. That's the best part about all of these cultures coming together, is that you can bring different people together and experience all of these different cultures and be exposed to so much different baking in the United States. Through creation, there are no limits. You can do whatever you want. Whatever you can imagine, you can create. And it's so inspiring to just let your imagination go and just do. With innovation, there's the past. There's the understanding of the past. There's the understanding of what's known. But the idea of innovation is, how do you move forward? How do you move beyond that and build on what's already been made? Fortunately, in this competition, the organizers have put together a set of rules that allows for both creation and innovation. There are no boundaries for us. We can make whatever we want to make, and we're still building on the baking and traditions of the past. I just want to say, I'm very much looking forward to this Masters competition. I can't wait to see you all soon. Good luck to the rest of the competitors.